Today, I'm going to show you how to switch your Instagram profile to a business account. It only takes a moment, and once you do it, you'll unlock helpful tools like insights, contact buttons, and better visibility for your brand. First, open your Instagram app and go to your profile page. Look in the top right corner and tap the 3 horizontal lines, then select Settings and Privacy. From here, scroll down until you see Account Type and Tools. Tap it, and you'll see the option that says Switch to Professional Account. Instagram will show a few screens explaining the benefits. Tap Continue until you reach the page where you choose your category. Pick the one that fits what you do. Then tap Done. Next, Instagram will ask if you want to be a creator or a business. Choose Business. This gives you access to features like business insights, promotions, and a contact button so people can reach you easily. Instagram may ask you to add your business email, phone number, or location. Fill it in if you want these buttons to appear on your profile, or skip it for now. Once that's done, your profile officially becomes a business account. You'll notice new options like Insights, Ad Tools, and Promotions appear on your dashboard. That's it. You're all set. Switching takes less than a minute, and it instantly makes your profile look more professional and opens the door to growth tools that can help your page reach more people. If this helped you, feel free to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more easy tutorials.